So our next very important topic that comes in use in every Olympiad, not just from 2nd to 5th, is addition, right? And addition is where it takes a lot of time if we use the normal method that school teaches us. But I'm going to teach you 5 smart methods to add faster so that you can do those arithmetic problems that would take you 2 minutes or 3 minutes in 20 seconds, 10 seconds, right? So our first method is the left to right addition method. In school we're told to write our answers like this for adding, and then take a carryover and then add like this. This obviously takes a lot of time, especially in preparing the up to down place value thing, right? But here, in most Olympiads, they'll not give you in that format, they'll give you in this format, just written left to right. Okay, so to convert it from this to the format that we've been taught, it takes a lot of time, and it's very tedious. Instead, what you can do to make it faster, we learned place value in the last video, right? So just take that concept, 300 and 400, add them up. 300 plus 400 is equal to 700. Next, add 5 and 7, 50, because that's their place value, plus 70 is equal to 120. See how easy 700 plus 120 is compared to 350 plus 470? Just use those concepts. 820, fine. 6 and 8, easy. 6 plus 8, 14, and 834. You can do these fast calculations in your brain rather than having to write it all out. I wrote it out to help you understand the thinking process, but doing these doesn't even take a minute. It takes like 20-30 seconds, and you can do it pretty fast. The next method, an even faster method, but it doesn't work for all situations, is the base number method. A base number is basically 10, 100, 1000, right? Any number that is a power of 10. So what can we do in this case? We can, if any number is close to it, in this example it's 997, we just convert it to its closest base number, which becomes 1000. Okay, and however many we add to it or subtract from it to make it 1000, we subtract or add, we do the reverse of it later. Okay, so in this case I made this 997 1000, and I just added 678 to it. 1678, as simple as that. And then later I subtract 3, so it is easier for me to do that subtraction, and this process made it easier, and this process is very easy, so I just get the answer 1675 rather than adding 9 and 6, 9 and 7, right? But it doesn't work for all cases, that's why it is very fast in that sense, but it doesn't work in all cases. So in other ways you would still use left to right addition. The next method is pretty similar to that, but it is for any number, right? So any number that you feel comfortable with adding, do the same thing which you did with the base number. In this case is 497 plus 286, a similar example, and 500 is easy to add with compared to 497, right? So we just add 500 to it, 286, we get 786, and then we subtract 3 because that's what we added, because both sides have to be equal, right? So that's what we do, and we get a 783. As simple as that. You can keep doing this as fast as you want. Okay, carry free addition, it's similar, right? In this case, let's just take 374 plus 486. Okay, just do the left to the right method, but just carry over later, right? 7 1 5, so 1 second, 3 7 4 plus 4 8 6, carry over later. Okay, so 3 and 4, just add them here. 7 and 8 becomes 15, just keep the 1 here, okay, and keep the 5 here. Then 6 and 4 becomes 10, right here, and just write it below, 860. As simple as that. You get the answer in seconds. Instead of going from here 10, then you add 1, then you do 7 8, that's 15, that's 16, so you add here and keep a 1 here. That takes a lot of time and is unnecessary effort. In this, you can just remove it like that. Okay. Then finally, split and add. This is for more smaller problems, but it is the fastest method out of all of them except base numbers method. So what does it state? It says that if you have a thing like 47 plus 53, right? Use the same place value method, break them up. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. As simple as that. Add them up. 100. Fast and easy. Those are 5 easy tricks to add a fast